Analytic Solver runs on Excel for Windows, Excel for Mac, and Excel for the web, and works very well with Microsoft Teams. Furthermore, Analytic Solver allows you to go beyond Excel with point-and-click deployment of live models to Power BI, Tableau, and much more. At Risk is an Excel add-in for Monte Carlo simulation and risk analysis. However, it is available only for Excel for Windows. Therefore, at-risk users are limited to running their risk analysis models only on desktops or laptops. Due to at-risk limitations, many users want to use Analytic Solver instead. However, it used to take some work to convert an at-risk model to Analytic Solver. I have good news for you today. You can now convert your model with one click. Then you have access to all the capabilities of Analytic Solver within and beyond Excel. Embed your model into your own application and solve it on the web or within Power BI or Tableau by calling a Raison server. Create a web application with a few clicks. Host your Excel workbook model results in Microsoft Teams and much more. Here is how. Just start Excel with Analytic Solver. Open your at-risk model workbook. As you can see on the Analytic Solver task pane, there are no simulation model components defined yet. On the Analytic Solver ribbon, click Distributions, Convert. And there it is. Your at-risk model is now an Analytic Solver model. Here are all the components of this model available in the task pane. Let's run the simulation. Here are the results. You can save this workbook, then open it in any other modern Excel versions, and it works right away. Here is Office 365, Excel Online in this browser. If this is your first time using Analytic Solver, click on Insert, Office Add-ins to add Analytic Solver to your workbook. Click the Deploy Model button on the ribbon, choose Teams, Power BI, or Tableau, and with a few mouse clicks, see your format at-risk model running live in these tools. And with Solver SDK and Cloud Service options, you can create the core of your own desktop, server, web, or mobile application that runs your simulation model. The conversion process automatically handles distributions, rank order correlation matrices and copy loss, and time series. So you see, it is very easy to convert your at-risk models and run them on the cloud. We invite you to start using Analytic Solver. To learn more, join one of our upcoming free training webinars. Contact us anytime at consulting@solver.com with your questions.